This is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Thursday, November 16, 2023. It is 2:06 and 16 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, CT scans, and cancer. So let's hop to it here. Multinational study confirms association between CT scans and young people and increased risk of cancer. Date November 9, 2023. Source: Barcelona Institute for Global Health. The benefits of computed tomography for imaging and patient management, including diagnostic efficacy, treatment, planning, and disease follow-up, are undisputed. However, the extensive use of this procedure in recent decades has raised concerns in the medical and scientific community about the potential cancer risk associated with exposure to ionizing radiation, particularly in young patients. The exposure associated with CT scans is considered low, less than 100 mgy, but it is still higher than for other diagnostic procedures, as previous studies have suggested an increased risk of cancer in children exposed to CT scans, but they had several methodological limitations. Implementing this large multinational study was challenging. It involved extracting data from radiology records of 276 hospitals and linking them to population-based registries in 9 countries, all while maintaining the confidentiality of the individual's data. The study analyzed data from almost 1 million people who underwent at least one CT scan before the age of 22. The dose of radiation delivered to the bone marrow, where blood cells are produced, was estimated for each person. And by linking this information to national cancer registries, EPI, CT researchers were able to identify those who developed a blood cancer over time. Individuals were followed for an average of 7.8 years, although for those who had CT scans in the early years of the technology, researchers were able to monitor cancer incidence for more than 20 years after the first scan. The results show a clear association between the total radiation doses to the bone marrow from CT scans and the risk of developing both myeloid and lymphoid malignancies. A dose of 100 mgy multiplied the risk of developing a blood cancer by a factor of about 3. These results suggest that a typical scan today with an average dose of about 8 mgy increases the risk of developing these malignancies by about 16%. In terms of absolute risk, this means that for every 10,000 children who have a CT scan, we can expect to see about 1 to 2 cases of cancer in the 12 years following the examination. The researchers point out that more work is needed to ensure that doses and technological parameters are systematically and adequately collected in the clinics in real time to further improve risk estimates in the future. As today more than 1 million children in Europe undergo CT scans every year, although radiation doses from CT scans have decreased substantially in recent years, the findings of this study underline the need to raise awareness among the medical community and to continue to apply strict radiation protection measures, especially in the youngest patients. The procedure must be properly justified, taking into account possible alternatives and optimized to ensure that doses are kept as low as possible while maintaining good image quality for the diagnosis. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, Pathophysiology, and Later Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.